In our first oscilloscope course, OS1, we look at how to set the scope up and how to use its basic functions. In our advanced oscilloscope course, we take that knowledge to the next level. We look at a few different key areas. We look at using the 20/20 rule, how to set up and measure pulse width modulation, maths channels, triggers, alarms, and all those specialist tools within the software to be able for you to diagnose very complex faults within the vehicle. In addition to using those complex features, we also look at using multi-channels. That is up to 4 channels with triggers and alarms on each channel, bringing you up to speed on the latest there is with oscilloscopes. Before undertaking this course, it's advised to complete the Introduction to Scope course, the OS1. That way you get the most out of this training. If this training sounds like it's within your scope, then book now.